Topic, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy.
Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy.
Again?
Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy.
Okay. S, enjoy oneself at place. It's a little bit long, so it's okay. Never mind. Okay, question. Okay. Did you and your friend enjoy yourselves at the movies last night?
Did you enjoy? I enjoyed watching movie with my friends last night.
Okay, but my question is, did you and your friend enjoy yourselves at the movie last night?
We enjoyed watching movie last night.
Good. Okay, good. Now, topic. Okay, repeat after me. S. Enjoy oneself at place. S. Enjoy oneself at place. The next pattern. S. Enjoy oneself. The event. Yes. The event. Again. S. Enjoy oneself. The event. Okay. Let's go again. Did you and your friend enjoy yourselves at the movies last night?
We enjoy watch movie
Okay.
myself last night.
Did you and your friend enjoy yourselves at the movies last night?
We enjoyed ourselves
Good.
watching movie last night.
Do you remember the topic? S. Enjoy oneself at place.
At the theater.
Good.
So we enjoyed ourselves at the theater last night.
Okay, good. Again.
We enjoyed ourselves at the theater last night.
Okay. Did you and your friend enjoy yourselves at the movies last night?
We enjoyed ourselves at theater last night.
Again.
We enjoyed ourselves at the theater last night.
Theater
Yeah.
and cinema. Okay. Movie theater. Movie theater and theater are different.
I see.
Movie theater, cinema, the movies. Three ways. Okay. Movies, cinema, movie theater. The cinema. Usually together with the cinema. The movies. The movie theater. Again. The cinema. The movies. The movie cinema. Okay, I'll ask you again. Did you and your friend enjoy yourselves at the movies last night?
Yes, we enjoyed ourselves at the movie theater last night.
Okay. Ask him.
Did you and your friend enjoy yourselves at the movie theater last night?
Yes, we enjoyed ourselves at the movie theater last night.
Okay, ask me.
You and friend. Did you and your friend enjoy yourselves at the movie theater last night?
Yes, we enjoyed ourselves at the movie theater last night.
Okay, ask him last.
Did you and your friend enjoy at the movie theater last night?
Again?
Yes.
Again?
Did you and your friend enjoy yourselves at the movie theater last night?
Yes, we enjoyed ourselves at the movie theater last night.
Okay, next question. Are you enjoying yourself in the Philippines?
Yes, I enjoyed.
Okay, too late. You have to speak, answer quick. Okay, are you enjoying yourself in the Philippines?
I'm enjoying myself in the Philippines.
Ask him.
Do you enjoy it as a Philippines?
Are you
enjoy yourself in the Philippines?
enjoying?
Are you enjoying yourself in the Philippines?
I'm enjoying myself in the Philippines.
Okay, ask him.
Are you enjoying yourself in the Philippines?
Yeah, I'm enjoying in the Philippines.
Again.
I'm enjoying myself in the Philippines.
Your G sound is very strong. I'm enjoying.
I'm enjoying.
Okay.
I'm
Don't
enjoying
say I'm
myself.
enjoying good.
Enjoying.
Ask him again.
Are you enjoying yourself in the Philippines?
Yes, I'm enjoying myself.
Okay, good. Did you enjoy yourself on the school trips back in elementary school?
I enjoyed myself at the school.
Remember event.
Event.
So in this case, the preposition is, just listen to me, okay? Did you enjoy yourself on the school trips back in elementary school?
Yeah, I enjoyed my.
Did you enjoy yourself on the school trips back in elementary school?
Yes, I enjoyed myself on the
School trips.
on the school trip back in elementary school.
Okay. This one is not specific school trip, general. So school trips. Any school trips? Okay, ask me.
Did you enjoy yourself on the school trips back in elementary school?
Back in your yes, I enjoyed myself on the school trips back to my
Back in.
back in elementary school.
Okay. Again.
I enjoyed myself school trips on the school trips back in elementary school.
Okay. Did you enjoy yourself on the school trips back in elementary school?
Yes, I enjoyed myself on the school trips back in elementary school.
Okay. Next topic. Repeat after me. Enjoy class now.
Enjoy class now.
Enjoy class now.
Enjoy class now.
Means to get pleasure from something. To get pleasure from something. Okay, question. What would you say to him who is about to eat instead of bon appetit? What would you say to him who is about to eat instead of bon appetit?
Bon appetit.
I would say,
I would say bon appetit.
no, I would say enjoy your meal instead of bon appetit. Okay? Okay, I'll ask you again. What would you say to him who is about to eat instead of bon appetit?
I would say to meal instead of bon appetit.
Okay, ask him.
What would you say?
What did you say?
What would you say?
Okay, I'll ask you again. I'll ask you, okay? What would you say to him who is about to eat instead of bon appetit?
He said.
I would say,
I'd say meal.
enjoy your meal.
I'd say enjoy my meal.
Enjoy your meal.
I'd say enjoy
Enjoy your meal instead of bon appetit.
Instead
Okay,
of
ask him again.
What would you say to him who is about to eat something
Instead of
instead of bon appetit?
I'd say joy. I'd say joy to him.
enjoy your meal.
I'd say enjoy your meal instead of bon appetit.
Yes. So when we usually say, when you eat something, we say, okay, bon appetit. That means enjoy your meal. Bon appetit is French. Okay? But we usually use it, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. French. Okay? French. Yes, it's French. Anyway, instead of bon appetit, we can also say enjoy your meal in English. Okay? So, again, ask him again.
Bon appetit is French.
Yes. So what would you say to him who is about to eat something instead of bon appetit?
I just say join up, enjoying you.
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal instead of bon appetit. Enjoy your meal.
What would you say to him who is about to eat instead of bon appetit?
I'd say enjoy your meal instead of bon appetit.
Ask him again.
What would you say to him who is about to eat something instead of bon appetit?
I say, are you enjoying your meal instead of bon appetit?
Okay, maybe I should do this. Okay. Okay. Next question. Do you enjoy your work? Do you enjoy your work?
I enjoy my work.
Okay, ask him.
Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I enjoy my work.
Okay, ask him.
You enjoy your work?
I enjoy my work.
Okay. Next topic, enjoy ing. Repeat.
Enjoy ing.
Enjoy it.
Again.
Enjoy ing.
Enjoy ing.
Enjoy ing.
Okay, question. Which is it right to say? I enjoyed walking in the park, or I enjoyed to walk in the park.
I think I enjoy walking in the park.
It's right to say. It's right to say.
It's right to say I enjoy walking in the park.
I enjoy walking in the park. Okay, good. Ask him.
Which is right to say I enjoy walking. I enjoy walking in the park, or I enjoy to walk in the park.
I think
It's right to say.
it's right to say I enjoy walking in the park.
Okay, ask him.
Which is correct? Which is right?
To say.
Which is right to say? Which is right to say? Are you enjoy working in the park, or are you enjoy to work in the park?
No. Ask him again.
Which is right to say I enjoy walking in the park, or I enjoy to walk in the park.
I enjoy. Which is right to say? Which is right to say? I enjoy walking in the park, or I enjoy to walk in the park.
Okay, answer.
Right to say I enjoy walking in the park.
It's right to say.
It's right to say I enjoy walking in the park.
Okay, next question. Did you enjoy being with Toshio yesterday?
Yes, I enjoyed being with Toshio last night.
Okay, good. Last night? Wow. In bed.
Impossible.
Okay, so enjoy ing. Okay, remember? Okay, ask him again.
So did you enjoy being with Mio yesterday?
Yes, I enjoy being Mio yesterday.
Being.
Being with Mio. Yesterday.
Okay, ask him again.
Did you enjoy being with me last night?
No.
Okay.
I didn't enjoy being with Mio last night.
Okay, good. Please make our own question sentence using enjoy plus ing. Ask him.
Okay. So, are you enjoying working at Storyshare?
Are you enjoying working?
Do you enjoy working at Storyshare?
Yes. I enjoy working in associate.
Okay, good. And then ask him.
Did you enjoy shooting photo? Yourself? Shooting photo.
Yes, I enjoyed shooting photos.
Okay. Or I enjoyed taking photos. Taking.
I enjoyed taking photos yesterday.
You enjoy yesterday?
Yeah,
Did you enjoy taking photo?
Okay, so now many kinds of way of using enjoy. Okay, so first one is enjoy oneself. Okay, second is enjoy plus noun, and third enjoy plus ing. Okay, I'll ask you again. Did you and your friend enjoy yourselves at the movies last night?
Yes, we enjoyed ourselves at the movie theater last night.
Okay, ask him.
Did you and your friend enjoy yourselves at the movie theater last night?
Yes, we enjoyed ourselves at the movie theater last night.
Okay, are you enjoying yourself in the Philippines?
Yes, I enjoyed myself in the Philippines.
Okay.
Are you enjoying yourself in the Philippines?
Yes, I'm enjoying myself in the Philippines.
Okay. Did you enjoy yourself on the school trips back in elementary school?
I enjoyed myself on the school trips back in elementary school.
Okay, ask him.
Did you enjoy yourself on the school trips back in elementary school?
Yes, I enjoyed myself on the school trips back in elementary school.
Okay. Together 3 times. Okay. I enjoyed myself on the school trips back in elementary school 3 times together.
I enjoyed myself on the
school
trips back in elementary school. I enjoyed myself on the school trips in back in elementary school. I enjoyed myself on the school trips back in elementary school.
Okay, good. Then make your own question sentence to him. Enjoy M plus oneself.
Yourself. Did you enjoy yourself? Yourself in Japan.
Yes, I enjoy myself in Japan. Are you enjoying take a photo? Are you enjoying
Enjoy plus oneself.
I enjoy yourself. I enjoying yourself. Take a photo.
No. When we use enjoy plus oneself, plus place or the event.
The event.
Okay, think about. Okay.
Why are you enjoying yourself in Tokyo?
Why?
Why?
Probably he wanted to say were you.
Why?
Were you?
Also, yeah, I was enjoying myself in Tokyo.
Okay, good. Okay, next topic. Okay, enjoy plus now. Okay, what would you say to him who is about to eat instead of bon appetit? Ask him.
What would you say? What would you say to him who is about to eat something instead of bon appetit?
I do say.
Help him.
Enjoy your meal.
I say enjoy your meal. Instead of bon appetit.
Okay, ask him.
What do you say?
What would you say
What would you say?
to him
What would you say to him? What would you say to him?
who is about
Who is about
to eat?
to eat instead of bon appetit?
Okay,
I would say to him, enjoy your meal instead of bon appetit.
okay. Do you enjoy your work?
I enjoy my work.
Okay, ask him.
Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I enjoy my work.
Okay, ask him the own sentence. Enjoy class now.
Do you enjoy your stay in the Philippines?
Yes, yes, I enjoy staying in my Philippines. I'm enjoying staying with.
He said, do you enjoy?
I enjoy.
Do you enjoy your stay in the Philippines?
I enjoy my stay in the Philippines.
Okay, ask him.
My stay in the Philippines. Do you enjoy? Do you enjoy your study?
Yes, I enjoy my stay.
Okay. Good. Next, enjoy plus ing. Okay. Which is it right to say? I enjoyed walking in the park or I enjoyed to walk in the park? Answer.
It's right to say I enjoy walking in the park.
Okay, good. Ask him.
It is right to say I enjoy walking in the park or I enjoy to walk in the park.
I would like to say I enjoy walking in the park.
Okay. Did you enjoy being with Toshio yesterday?
Yes, I enjoyed being with Toshio yesterday.
Ask him.
Did you enjoy being with Mio yesterday?
Yes, I enjoy being with Mio yesterday.
Ask him.
Oh, do you enjoy being with me yesterday?
What do you mean? You used to do.
Do.
So cannot be.
Do you enjoy being with me yesterday?
Why do you use yesterday? Do and yesterday are not friends.
Did you being with me yesterday?
Yeah, I enjoyed being with Mio yesterday.
Okay, good. Okay. Okay, one more question for him.
Do you enjoy eating very much?
Again?
Do you enjoy eating very much meal?
I enjoy eating very much meal.
Okay. Okay. Next topic, in return. Yes, in return. Again?
In return.
Again?
In return.
Okay. Means what?
In return.
Hey, this is your review. Okay. In exchange for something.
In exchange for something.
Okay. Again?
In exchange for something.
In exchange for something.
Okay.
In exchange for something.
In exchange for something.
Okay.
In exchange for something.
Okay. Please make a sentence like this. In return means in exchange for something. Repeat. In return
In return
means.
in exchange for something.
Okay, your turn.
In return means in exchange for something.
Okay. Next topic, comparative plus expected.
Comparative plus
Expected.
Comparative plus expected.
Okay.
Comparative plus expected.
Comparative plus expected.
Okay. Expect a baby.
Expectable.
What does this mean?
Expectable.
Yes.
I don't know the meaning.
Hey, this is for your review. Again, your turn.
Expected.
Means
Expected.
be pregnant.
Pregnant?
Yes, pregnant. Remember? Okay, again. Expect a baby means be pregnant.
Expect a baby means pregnant.
Be pregnant.
Be pregnant.
Okay.
Expect baby means be pregnant.
Again.
Expect baby means be pregnant.
Expect baby means be pregnant.
Okay. Question. Do you expect today's dinner to be excellent?
Yes, I expected to be
Today's dinner.
today's dinner to be
Excellent.
excellent.
Okay. 5 times.
I expected today's dinner to be excellent. I expect today's dinner to be excellent.
Again.
I expect today's dinner to be excellent.
Ask him.
Do you expect today's dinner to be excellent?
Yeah, I expect dinner to be excellent.
Today's dinner.
Today's dinner. I expect today's dinner excellent.
To be excellent.
To be excellent.
Again.
I expect today's dinner to be excellent.
Okay. Ask him.
Do you expect today's dinner to be excellent?
Yes, I expect today's dinner to be excellent.
One more time.
I expect today's dinner to be excellent.
When you help people, do you expect something in return? When you help people, do you expect something in return?
No. When I have somebody, I don't expect something in return.
Okay, again.
When I help somebody, I don't expect something in return.
I don't expect anything.
Anything in return.
Okay, good. And then I don't. You said I don't. Can you remove T sound? I don't expect anything in return. Again.
When I help someone,
When I help. Okay.
somebody, I don't expect something.
Anything?
I don't expect anything in return.
Okay, 5 times.
I don't expect.
When I.
When I help somebody, I don't expect anything in return. When I help somebody, I don't expect anything in return. When I help somebody, I don't expect anything in return. When I help somebody, I don't expect anything in return. When I help somebody, I don't expect anything in return.
Okay, ask him.
Do you expect anything in return when you help somebody?
No, I don't expect some return. I don't expect some return when I help anybody.
Okay, again.
I don't expect anything. I don't expect anything when I in return when I help anything anybody.
When I help somebody.
When I help somebody.
Okay, good. Next. When you help, oh, you went to. Did you take a long? No. Okay. Oh, you went to Italian restaurant yesterday.
Yes, I went to Thailand.
Did it take a little longer to get there than you expected?
It took longer than I expected.
Okay, good. Again.
It took longer than I expected.
Okay, can you speak smoothly? It took again one more time. It took.
It took longer than I expected.
Good. It took longer than I expected.
It took longer than I expected.
Yes, than I expected. Yes, than I expected 5 times.
Than I expected.
2 times.
Than I expected.
Okay, I'll ask you the same question. Okay. Oh, you went to Italian restaurant yesterday. Did it take a little longer to get there? You expected than you expected?
Yes, it took longer than I expected.
Okay, good. Okay, next. I want you to repeat after me very accurately. I mean, not repeat the answer, but use my sentence. Okay. Did it take a little longer to get there than you expected? Did it take a little longer to get there than you expected?
Yes, it took a little bit longer than I expected.
Okay, again.
It took a little longer than I expected.
Good, again.
It took a little bit longer than I expected.
Okay. Then next time, please use to get there.
To get there.
Yes, please insert this phrase after a little longer. A little longer to get there than I expected. Okay, I'll ask you again. Did it take a little longer to get there than you expected?
Yes, it took a little bit longer
To get there?
to get there than I expected.
Okay, again, 3 times.
It took a little bit longer to get there than I expected. It took a little bit longer to get there than I expected. It took a little bit longer to get there than I expected.
Okay, ask him. Did you go to an Italian restaurant yesterday?
Did you go to Italian restaurant?
An Italian restaurant?
Did
An
you go
order.
Did you go to an Italian restaurant yesterday?
Yes.
Yes, I went to an Italian restaurant yesterday.
Is it? Did it take a little bit longer to get there than you expected?
Okay, again. 3 times.
Did it take a little bit longer to get there than you expected? Did it take a little bit longer to get there than you expected? Did it take a little bit longer to get there than you expected?
Yes, I did. It took a little bit longer
Than I expected.
Again? It took a little bit longer than I expected.
Okay, 3 times.
It took a little bit longer than I expected. It took a little bit longer than I expected. It took a little bit longer than I expected.
Than I expected. Okay. Okay, ask him again.
Did it take a little bit longer to get there than you expected?
Yes, it took a little bit longer than I expected.
Okay, 2 times more.
It took a little bit longer than I expected. It took a bit longer than I expected.
Than I expected. Okay, good. Next.
Than I expected.
Have you made a lot of progress since you came to the Philippines? Have you made a lot of progress since you came to the Philippines?
I have a lot of progress since I came to the Philippines.
Again?
I have a lot of progress since I
No. no, make progress.
Make progress.
Yes. So my question is, have you made a lot of progress since you came to the Philippines?
I've made a lot of progress since I came to the Philippines.
Okay, 3 times.
I've made a lot of progress since I came to the Philippines. I've made a lot of progress since I came to the Philippines. I've made a lot of progress since I came to the Philippines.
Ask him.
Have you made a lot of progress?
Have you made?
Have you made a lot of progress since you came to the Philippines?
Okay, 3 times.
Have you made a lot of progress since you came to the Philippines? Have you made a lot of progress since you came to the Philippines? Have you made a lot of progress since you came to the Philippines?
Yes, I've made a lot of progress since I came to the Philippines.
3 times.
Yes, yes. I've made a lot of progress. I came to the Philippines. Since I came to the Philippines. Yes, I've made a lot of progress since I came to the Philippines.
Okay, ask him.
Have you made a lot of progress since you came to the Philippines?
And this time, please say, please use topic. Comparative plus expected.
So I've made a lot of progress than I expected.
Okay, good. That's possible. Okay, one more time.
I've made a lot of progress than I expected.
Ah, that's good. Very nice. Then, okay, ask him again.
Have you made a lot of progress since you came to the Philippines?
Yes, I've made a lot of progress than I expected.
Okay, again.
Yes, I made a lot of progress than I expected.
Okay, good. And then next, I want you to use next good sentence like longer than. Longer than. Okay, ask him again, same question.
Eh?
Have you made?
Have you made a lot of progress? No. Have you made a lot of progress? Eh? Longer than.
Since you came to the Philippines.
Since you came to the Philippines.
The answer.
Answer?
Yes.
Using longer.
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 Yes. So you have to say no.
No.
Oh my god.
I haven't a lot of progress.
And then it's taking
longer than
I expected.
it's taking longer than I expected.
Yes. Natural sentence. Okay. Okay, ask him again.
No, have you made a lot of progress? Have you made a lot of progress? You came in the Philippines. Since you came to the Philippines.
Okay.
No, I haven't made a lot of progress. It's taking longer than I expected.
Good. 3 times. It's taking much longer than I expected.
It's taking much longer than I expected.
Okay, 3 times.
It's taking much longer than I expected. It's taking much longer than I expected. It's making much longer. It's taking much longer than I expected.
Okay, ask him.
Have you made a lot of progress since you came to the Philippines?
Okay.
No, I haven't. I haven't made a lot of progress. It's longer than. It's longer than I expected.
It's longer than I expected.
It's longer than I expected.
It's longer than I expected. Okay, then it's taking longer.
It's taking longer than I expected.
3 times.
It's taking longer than I expected. It's taking longer than I expected. It's taking longer than I expected.
Okay, good. Ask him for the last. Have you
made a lot of progress since you came to the Philippines?
No, I haven't made a lot of progress. It's taking much longer than I expected.
Good. It's taking much longer.
It's taking much longer than I expected.
Yeah.
It's taking much longer.
Okay, next. I know you made a great effort on the TOEIC. Okay. Do you think you do okay this Sunday? Then please use I expect. Huh?
Pardon me?
Okay, I know you made a great effort on the TOEIC. You studied a lot, okay? Do you think you'll do okay this Sunday? Because this Sunday you are going to take exam, TOEIC. So, please use I expect.
What can I say?
Okay, your turn.
I expect to get high score.
Okay. Yeah, I expect to get high score of TOEIC. That's okay. And you? How about you?
I expect I'll pass it.
I expect you'll pass it. What do you mean pass? Because TOEIC is not the entrance exam
High score.
to get high score.
To get a high score.
Good. Or here, do well. Do well on the TOEIC.
I expect on the TOEIC.
Yes, do well on the TOEIC.
Do well.
I expect to do well on the TOEIC.
To do well.
Yes.
I expect to do well on the TOEIC.
Yes. Okay, ask him. Do you think
Do you think
you do okay? You do okay?
Do you think you do okay
This Sunday?
This Sunday?
Okay.
You do okay.
Yes, I expect to do well on TOEIC.
Okay, on the TOEIC.
On the TOEIC.
Okay, 3 times.
I expect to do well on the TOEIC. I expect to do well on the TOEIC. I expect to do well on the TOEIC.
Okay, ask him.
Do you think you do well on the TOEIC?
Yes, I think. I expect to do well on TOEIC.
On the TOEIC.
On the TOEIC.
Okay,
I
good.
expect to do well on the TOEIC.
Okay. I'll give you this camera.
Okay.
No, and then. So thank you.
Thank you.
And then
I expect.
no, and then next in return.
So I expect. Do you expect? Do you expect something in return?
No, nothing. I don't expect anything in return. Okay. But that's not natural conversation. So usually maybe then I'll give you this one in return. Like that, right? Because if you ask me like that, of course I would say no. Right? Okay, I give you this camera.
Then I give you this in return.
Okay, good. Please give him something.
So I give you my something.
Wow, it's very important.
That's it. I'll give you in return.
Which one?
I'll give you my shoe in return.
Okay, good. Okay. So remember, the topic is in return. Repeat. In return. Comparative plus expected.
Comparative plus expected.
Okay. Oh, where's the expected baby? It's not here. Expect a baby. Anyway. Okay. Means, okay, for example, teacher, teacher, who's your teacher? Joy? Okay, Joy has very big tummy now. Okay, so what can you say? Is she
pregnant?
Is she pregnant? Please use expect a baby.
Is she expecting the baby?
What do you mean
Expecting baby?
A baby.
A baby.
Good, again?
Is she expecting a baby?
Yeah. Means, is she pregnant?
Expecting a baby.
Yes. Please ask him, is teacher blah blah pregnant? Use expect a baby.
Is the teacher Joy expecting a baby?
Yes, she's expecting a baby.
Okay, ask him.
Is teacher Joy expecting a baby?
Yes, she is expecting a baby.
Okay, good.